Hello everyone, my name is Mark Gian F. Abellera, BSHMA. And now I go to bat because I have exam today. After batting and preparing, I go in my classmates boarding and go together in school. This is my classmates, also my best friends. And after all that, me and my classmates is walking to go in school. And after 5 minutes walking, I arrive in school. This is my school, Pangasinan State University, Lingayen Campus. This is the hallways in the school. And the field. This is the under of tech book building. Me and my friends is go to second floor to find our room. This is the whole tech book building. And behind of this building, peace you have Golden Lion Hotel. And finally, we arrive in our room. And I review before the exam. And after finishing the exam, me and my friends is going home. That's all. Thank you.